Do you want the hash?
We don't know what to do, y'all. We don't know if we want to do collard greens or hash browns.
I mean, you could do both.
Will that be illegal here in Georgia?
We can put a few collard greens back there.
Collard greens probably go better with pork.
Well, it don't matter. Collard greens go good with anything.
Not in Georgia.
Okay. Cheesy hamburger steaks.
Cheesy hamburger steaks tonight. Peppers and onions too, y'all.
Yeah. Smothered and covered. There's that plate.
Order up! Sometimes we play like we're at Huddle House.
Yeah.
And I'm actually cooking the food.
Okay.
That's what Fallon loves for me to play that game.
Right.
Because I end up cooking the whole meal.
We'll have the kids in the background telling us their orders. Can you turn that down just a little bit, Cook? There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and make these. I think this can get 2 right here. Can you make room for this one too?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
There it is, everybody.
I already have the peppers and onions chopped up. We did that earlier today. I have several little pepper and onion containers in the refrigerator, but these are not smell proof. So beware, if you put onions in them, you will still smell the onion. It will stink up your refrigerator. So this will be the last time we use these for onions. I really do love Waffle House, no joke.
See that? That's it. Now they're ready. All right, everybody, I'm about to frizzle. On my good. Snow's on the way, everybody.
It's coming.
I'm waiting on the gravel man. Boy, I love buying rocks, don't y'all?
We definitely need that before the snow.
But we're making this morning, as we're waiting on the gravel man, banana oat cakes.
Yes, this is gonna be good.
How do we know, Mama?
You put all good things together, nothing can come of it but good.
I've seen that not be the case.
We've got 2 cups of oats going into the food chopper here, and some of them did not go into the food chopper, but we're not mad at them. Clean those up real quick.
We don't get mad at oats. That'd be weird. I'm gonna chop these up, everybody. Oats going in.
2 eggs. And we need that banana mashed up. 2 eggs in there. This just changes up your pancakes, you know, because sometimes it can be like, oh, pancakes again? Not with these. It's different.
We do a lot of things.
He's mashing the banana. I'm gonna get the whisk. I'm just whisking these eggs over here.
All right.
Okay. Make sure it's gonna snow on Sunday. Oh, you sure? Probably
We're sure, son.
Probably for sure.
We're probably for sure on this one.
Yeah, Manly's got him a... Where'd he get that from? The bingo table at Christmas? At our family Christmas party, y'all know they have the bingo game and the bingo table. So everybody, we all bring prizes for the bingo table, and then when we play bingo, everybody gets to go up and pick a prize when you bingo. Manly got this inner tube, and he said that he wanted it for when it snowed. He thought it was gonna snow on Christmas Day just because, you know, it was Christmas Day.
That's what kids think.
So
Some adults think that way.
He's been waiting since then for snow to blow up that inner tube and slide down the hill. It's coming for him.
There probably was snow in North Dakota.
Oh yeah.
I bet they don't get as excited about the
No,
inner
they-
tube as we do down here.
No, we get excited about snow, even if it's just flakes, you know?
Oh yeah, we'll go outside and video it.
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
And I've told y'all before, a lot of people go on Facebook measuring it down here.
Oh yeah.
They'll put like a ruler on their porch. Y'all didn't get but 2.5. Man, we got 3. 3. I don't know if anybody will let me post it on their page, but I'd love to show the world what we have.
Pinch of salt. So we've got pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, mashed banana, 2 eggs, and the 2 cups of old-fashioned oats crushed up. Now we need a cup of milk. Got it right here. We are gonna put a few whole oats in here. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna turn our stovetop on here to just a little bit above medium. So we'll let that heat up, and we'll get some butter. We got a big Amish roll of butter right here. Okay, we're just gonna spread this around. I got this flat square pan from TJ Maxx or Bell's Outlet.
Well, it's
a little bent
It's
up.
almost square and it's almost flat.
We've had it for several years, and it's just gotten, you know, kind of bent up through the years. There's a bend here.
Oh, I got you. You dropped it a few times. That's what happened.
I'm not sure if I dropped it, but something happened to it. But anyway,
Ah.
it's fine.
Well, they might be really flat whenever you buy them, but we don't want ours to be flat anyway. We'd rather have ours
No, we like
almost.
the rustic. We like
we
the
want
rustic.
it rustic.
The brand of this one is actually Country Kitchen, so.
We countryed it up more.
Right. We're gonna use this to scoop out the batter.
You'll start to notice them little sizzling bubbles happening. You're almost ready to go on that almost flat pan. This is a country kind of breakfast this morning.
These all will almost be kind of like,
Buckwheat.
yes, I couldn't think of the name, buckwheat pancakes. I really love buckwheat pancakes. I
Yeah.
really do.
It's a country. You put some bacon with that and that's really
Yeah,
good.
do y'all want bacon? I could put some in the air fryer.
Let's do bacon.
Okay. So they're setting up really good. See how you can just slide it? Turn the heat down to medium now.
Notice that little bounce. not kidding, that's great. Got a real country thing too. Take you a piece of bacon, folks. Rub that bacon in that syrup. Go clockwise, counterclockwise, north, south, east to west.